What's up, everybody? It's Ben here with Srkcycles.com, and today you're not gonna believe it, and I actually gotta check the year. Let's check it really quickly. It is a 2002 Honda Goldwing Trike. This thing's got 11,400 miles on it. This thing is awesome. It's gonna be priced at SRK's usual prices. It's gonna be priced to move. Do not miss out on this thing. It is the California sidecar. So let's just jump here in the back. It does have the hitch on it, and you obviously have the exhaust there. It's gonna be a little bit harder to see the tires, but they are both in pretty good shape. Let's jump up here in the back. As you can see, this kit is in nice shape. I like the color. Jumping in here, open this up. There's the trunk. Even got the old got the Goldwing toolkit in there. Up here, of course, we have the tour pack. Got some stuff in there, looking good. I like the color of this thing. There you have your tail lights. There's the wheel. Got the California sidecar wheels. Again, the tread in there is pretty good. So there's all that. Again, nothing major to report back here and on this side. As you can see, all this stuff's in pretty nice shape. Got your passenger floorboards. Of course, you have your rider peg, you have your brake. Got the stuff down here that goes with the kit. You got the Goldwing on the side. Got a little chip right there. My pointer finger. Have that. There's the heads for the Goldwing motor. All your fairings and everything. Got a light little mark right there on the back of the mirror. Little marks. Nothing major, but they are there. There's the front. You see the headlights. Of course, you have your turn signals up here in the mirrors. There's your front fender. Got a little mark there on your front fender. Other than that, not too bad. You have your front tire. The tire has tons of tread left on it. I like the back tires. There you can see your front brakes. Obviously, you can't see the forks in the Goldwings. They cover them up pretty good. But there's your front brake on that side as well. Keep coming around. This mirror's looking good. Got a little mark in here. My pointer finger, I just wanted to point that out. Other than that, the rest of the stuff's looking pretty good. Got a little bit of these marks here on the heads. Not really sure what's causing that, but they are there. All this stuff is good. There's your rider peg. There's your shifter. There's your passenger floorboard. Got the battery tender. Always good to keep it plugged in if you're not riding it for a little while. So there are some small marks here on this side that I wanted to point out. Get this this chip here. And some other little black streak marks. Those actually I think are gonna come off. A little chip right there. Again, there's the Goldwing on that side. Up over, all this is looking good. California sidecar wheel there. Again, good looking tread. Here's another one of these little marks that I wanted to point out. The scratch right there. Not terrible. I mean, actually that is kind of terrible, but overall the bike's in really good shape. Just these two little marks. Jump up here, let's check out the seat. There's your backrest. Got the nice big comfy passenger seat. Same thing for the rider seat. Seat is in nice shape. Got a little white mark right there and right there. I don't know what that is, but they are not rips. The seat is not ripped or torn at all. So there's all that. Of course, you have all the usual Goldwing stuff. You know, you have your preloads, got all your CB and all the controls there. Of course, you have your clutch. You have your mirror up here, your throttle, front brake, the reverse start, kill switch and everything. Turn it on so you can see the miles. Like I said, 11,415 miles. There'll be a few more than that after the test drive. If you're interested in this bike, make sure you check out the test drive video on YouTube. Let's fire this thing up. make sure these turn signals work. Put your front signal there on that mirror. Front signal on this mirror. Jump in the back. There's your reverse signal there. And over on the side, got your reverse signal there. Alright guys, like I said, this is a 2002 Honda Goldwing GL 1800 Trike. It's got 11,400 miles on it. This is a very nice machine. Got 2 tiny little scratches on it. Other than that, it's a great piece. Check it out at srkcycles.com and check out the test drive video on YouTube. Thanks so much for watching.